Are you a first-time international traveler ready to embark on your adventure? Today, I'm sharing 3 essential tips to help you have a smooth and enjoyable journey, all brought to you by Travel Croc. First, always make digital and printed copies of your passport, visa, and travel insurance. This simple step can save you a lot of stress if anything gets lost or stolen during your trip. This way, your travel documents are safe. Next, it's wise to avoid exchanging all your money at the airport. Airport exchange rates can be quite unfavorable and may leave you shortchanged. Consider withdrawing some local currency from an ATM when you arrive at your destination. Lastly, pack light but smart. It's tempting to bring everything. Overpacking can weigh you down and make your travels cumbersome. Focus on versatile clothing that can mix and match, and don't forget essentials like a power bank and noise-canceling headphones. Travel Croc suggests creating a packing list ahead of time to ensure you bring everything necessary